The prosecution has lined up 25 witnesses to testify in the case on corruption and mismanagement of resources that led to the loss of millions of shillings at the Kenya Power and Lighting Company.
The prosecution says it has a watertight case against the 4 directors from various limited companies implicated in the KPLC scandal.
During the pre-trial hearing today, the prosecution told the court that they have called expert witnesses, an officer from the Registrar of Companies and National Construction Commission among its witnesses.
The 14 directors before the anti-corruption court are being charged with fraudulently obtaining over 15 million shillings from KPLC.
And this comes barely a week after KPLC top managers, including the Chief Executive Officer Ken Tarus and his predecessor Ben Chumo, were arraigned in court, charged with the offence of procuring substandard transformers worth over 409 million.